Good morning from the beautiful Gold Coast. Okay, so I'm jumping on live to remind you to jump on our priority list. So basically, looking at my little notes, I've got a bit of morning brain right now. So basically, the doors to my signature program, my transformation program, they are opening one last time in 2024. Okay, so I'm going to drop a link in here to the priority list. The reason I am encouraging you to join on that is on Monday. So once you join, you get information, but then on Monday, we are releasing to that list only 24 hours of ahead of the general public, okay? $5,000 worth of bonuses, okay? So if you're even thinking about joining my transformation program, so if you're even thinking about joining it this round, next round, I really recommend that you jump on our priority list, okay? So it's the Strategic Bookkeeper.global/waitlist. Quite easy, but I'll also drop a link in here, okay? So that is the priority list for my signature program. I will let you know, I was just online yesterday. So every month I survey all of the members inside my program, and we get really high scores. So I was just looking at we were getting 10 out of 10. Always we get 10 out of 10 actually for the implementation and coaching. And then I was looking at, we get usually between 7 and 10 out of 10 for our academy content. We get really high scores. I got some great feedback from some of our tribe on how I could even enhance the user experience. So inside the program, we are knocking it out of the ballpark, and we would love to help you too. So jump on the priority list so you are the first to get the opportunity to grab $5,000 worth of bonuses. They are exceptional. We work very hard behind the scenes on what bonuses we are going to give to you, okay? And we have done that, $5,000 worth of bonuses. The only way that you can get notified early of these is to jump on the priority list. Hi, Katia. Katia is one of our members inside the program. So, what was the other thing I wanted to let you know about priority list, or is that about it? I did want to let you know that the small but mighty blueprints are next week. I haven't had the time to get on and do many lives about that. The events we ran last week, these are workshop events. So that means I'm there workshopping with you how to thrive in practice. Next week we've got small but mighty blueprint, where I'm going to show you how to do what I've done. And that is build a small but mighty bookkeeping practice under 5 on the team. In this case, I'll show you a blueprint for 200,000 plus income. Now, income is not revenue, my friends. Income is take home pay for you. So that would be with you plus 2 on your team. I'm really passionate about showing you why it's worth considering building a practice with 5 or less on the team, with a very, very high income, okay, and very low stress levels. Lots of income, time, purpose, and joy. So I'll drop those links in for you now, and I really hope to see you jump on the priority list. We've got lots and lots of bookkeepers all over the world on that, in Australia, New Zealand, the UK, America, Canada, and further afield, okay? So just like the rest of the bookkeepers who've backed themselves and gone for it, we'd love to see you on the priority list so we can email you Monday with our first opportunity to get your hands on those bonuses, or to even see what they are. So once again, if you're even thinking about joining the program, you can ask Katia, tag Katia, what do you think, is it worth it? And if you're even thinking about joining, please do jump on the priority list.